Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly install Vanguard for League of Legends on PC. This is really important if you want to play League of Legends, as Vanguard is the anti-cheat system required to run the game. Let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is check whether Vanguard is currently installed on your device and remove it if it is, so we can do a clean fresh install. Open your Start menu and search for Settings, then click on it to open the Settings window. On the left-hand side, click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. In the search box at the top, type Vanguard and see if it appears in the results. If you see the Vanguard application listed, go ahead and uninstall it from your device. If nothing shows up, that's fine. It just means it's already been removed and we can move on to the next step. Now we need to remove the Vanguard services from your system using Command Prompt. Open the Start menu and search for CMD. When Command Prompt appears in the results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Once the Command Prompt window is open, type the following command exactly as shown, scdelete vgc, then press Enter. Now type the second command, scdelete vgk, and press Enter again. Once both commands have been executed, go ahead and close the Command Prompt window. Now make sure the Riot Games application is completely closed. If it's running in the background, right-click on its icon in the system tray and select Exit to fully close it. Open the Start menu and launch the Riot client again. Once it opens, go ahead and sign into your Riot Games account using your username and password. Once you're signed in, click on Games on the left-hand side of the Riot client. From the list of games, select League of Legends. The client should now automatically detect that Vanguard is not installed on your system. When it does, you'll see an Update button appear. Go ahead and press it. This will automatically download and install Vanguard onto your device. Just wait for the process to complete and you're all set. And that's it. That's how you install Vanguard for League of Legends on PC. It's actually a pretty simple process once you know the steps. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you out, and if it did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful gaming tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.